In this video, we're going to cover the best ways to clean couch cushions, helping you keep your living room looking fresh and inviting. Whether it's dealing with everyday dirt, spills, or stubborn stains, maintaining clean cushions is essential for a comfortable and hygienic home. Let's explore how to clean your couch cushions effectively. Before you start, gather the necessary supplies. You will need a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment, a mild detergent or upholstery cleaner, a soft bristled brush, clean white cloths or sponges, and a spray bottle with warm water. If your couch cushions have removable covers, check the care labels for washing instructions. Begin by vacuuming the cushions thoroughly using the upholstery attachment. This helps remove dust, pet hair, and loose debris from the surface and crevices. Pay special attention to seams and folds where crumbs and dirt tend to collect. Regular vacuuming also helps prevent dirt from getting embedded in the fabric over time. For stains, mix a small amount of mild detergent with warm water in a spray bottle. Lightly spray the stained area, making sure not to soak the fabric. Use a clean cloth or sponge to gently blot the stain, working from the outside in to avoid spreading it. For tougher stains, a soft bristled brush can help lift the dirt without damaging the fabric. If your couch cushions have removable covers, unzip them and follow the care instructions on the label. Most covers can be machine washed on a gentle cycle with cold water. Use a mild detergent and avoid bleach, as it can damage the fabric. After washing, air dry the covers to prevent shrinking, and do not put them in the dryer unless the label indicates that it's safe to do so. To freshen up your couch cushions, sprinkle baking soda over the fabric and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Baking soda helps absorb odors trapped in the fabric. After the time is up, vacuum the baking soda thoroughly. This simple step leaves your cushions smelling fresh and clean. Allow your cushions to air dry completely before putting them back on the couch or using them. If you need to speed up the drying process, use a fan or place the cushions in a well-ventilated area. Make sure they are thoroughly dry to prevent mold or mildew from forming inside the cushions. Once dry, fluff the cushions by hand to restore their shape and fullness. If the cushions have lost some of their firmness, you can add extra stuffing or foam to give them a little boost. Replace the covers if they were removed and zip them up snugly around the cushions. Cleaning your couch cushions doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these steps, you can keep your seating area looking and feeling great, extending the life of your couch while ensuring a comfortable and clean space for everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical home care tips and cleaning guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.